Friends, today we'll learn how to do data analysis with Excel. It's a simple 5 steps model which we'll follow. First, we'll create a pivot table using data. Then we'll do percentage calculation in the pivot, and then we'll create a dashboard using slicer and the chart. Let's start. Let's quickly start. So this is our data. We have a data available and we are going to create the pivot table. I'm selecting the first field for the pivot. Kindly observe the screen, and I have taken the same order number 2 times, one for taking the count, and now I am doing the percentage of it. Please observe. See, I am doing the percentage. And here I am selecting the percentage. Yes, okay, I'm done. So you can see the percentage is available. This is the first trick for our pivot table. Earlier I used to do this percentage calculation manually, but that doesn't work sometimes. It creates just challenges because it's not so dynamic. Here since we are doing it in the pivot using the same column, so it's very dynamic, and you will always get the current value based on the data change in the base tables. Let's create one more pivot table. Now we'll select another column for grouping. Okay, and the approach is almost similar. Why I've done this? Because it's easy and easy for all of us to learn and understand. So that's the reason I've selected the table in such a manner. I'm selecting the first column, I'm selected the second column, and I'm doing the percentage. You remember the columns for are is the same on which we are doing. First we are doing count, and second time we are doing the percentage. Thank you friends for your valuable time.